Hi, I'm Leslie Wallace. One thing I've learned after years in credit and collections, business, and financial education is that people don't all start in the same place. Some people are learning credit for the first time. Some are trying to rebuild after a difficult season, because we've all been there. Some are working to stabilize their household. Some are business owners trying to turn revenue into profit, and some are ready for bigger opportunities, funding, government contracts, and growth. The problem is that many people get overwhelmed because they don't know where to start. And that's why I created 5 paths. Not because everyone needs the same thing, but because everyone needs a starting point. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through each path so you can identify where you are today and what you want your next step to be. Welcome.